Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video, and today we're checking out the 3 latest PS Vita ports. All 3 games come from the same developer, Pangea Software, and were highly rated back in their day. These classic PC gems run amazingly well on the Vita, and the best part, no external game files are needed, so you can download them directly from VitaDB. However, you will need to have the libshacccg.suprx file installed correctly. And if you're still having trouble with the VitaDB fix, check out my tutorial here to get everything set up and start playing these games right away. I'm Robles Jr. and I love covering homebrew topics, whether it's a major release or something small. I truly enjoy being part of the amazing community, and a big shout out to the developers who make these projects possible. If you enjoy this kind of niche content, consider subscribing. My goal this year is to reach 60,000 subscribers, and I'd love to have you along for the journey. First up, we have Bugdom 2, which was ported to the PS Vita on January 25th, 2025. Originally released in 2002, this game follows the adventure of a grasshopper named Skip, who's on a mission to retrieve his stolen knapsack from Bully B. Along the way, he's helped by his friends Sam the Snail and Sally the Chipmunk. Running this game on the Vita is an absolute joy. It runs at a buttery 60 frames per second with barely any issues. Hopefully they add trophies in the future because I love these classic PC games. They're fun, lighthearted, and not too serious. This one reminds me a lot of A Bug's Life on the original PlayStation. The controls are very simple. You can kick enemies, jump high, fly, and collect quest items. Overall, it's a great game to add to your collection of Vita ports. Next we have Automatic, which was ported just a day after Bugdom 2 on January 26, 2025. Originally released in 2001, this action-adventure game parodies the retro sci-fi genre with a whimsical style. Its gameplay is very similar to Bugdom and Nanosaur. This game also runs smoothly at 60 frames per second with only minor lag when too many enemies are on a screen, a common issue in many games. In Automatic, you play as a robot trying to rescue humans from an alien invasion. The gameplay is fast-paced and addicting. I had a blast blasting enemies away, watching them either ragdoll from my laser or explode. It's an easy game to pick up and play, and the soundtrack makes it even better. If you're into action-packed retro-style adventures, this one is worth trying out. Lastly, we have Mighty Mike, a top-down 2D run-and-gun shooter. Now, I'm not usually a big fan of 2D games, but this one is super addicting, mainly because of its unique setting, a 1990s toy store. You'll be running around blasting enemy toys while rescuing your friends. You start by saving bunnies, then face off against monkeys, dinosaurs, carnivorous plants, and other rogue toys. It's chaotic, fast-paced, and a ton of fun. Performance-wise, this game runs smoothly with no major lag, even when there are a lot of enemies on the screen. I really hope trophies get added because I could easily sink hours into this one. And that wraps up this quick video. These classic Pangea Software games have been beautifully ported to the Vita, and I highly recommend checking them out. They're fun, nostalgic, and run great on the system. Have you tried any of these yet? Let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more PS Vita homebrew content. Until next time, happy gaming.